So let's look at this. If you look at the internal elections of the New Patriotic Party, Asante Fordo was an anchor person taking over to be the flag bearer of the NPP. Thank you. They had a reason. They say, now your ma be a free Ashanti be taking over. The time of dividends, it will be extremely difficult for us to go to the bank to take our dividend. Dividend, they say, Bonani at the money no more said, Pono Mobon. See, a ma obia on your pro, no, no, agin yape. Now, obia on your Japade document into ma. The Bedu Satam and Scania of the DNA ban. Sani Pando Boy Garawin to create a problem. Let's look for someone or no only fit to a party. Yanfa Sani Panamra. Yet never you take total control after the exit of Nana Danko Kufa. Who is the flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party?
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
So it has come to pass. On to that says Kufa do 20 Papa Japade.
Nothing.
On to say Kufa do 20 Japan says 2021 when never go beat me. So what to be paid?
Was say, in fact, one say electricity and compass or take over. Na anye year. Because of fan Kufu onya chimfo no meshemu. A beni PDS.
Thank you.
I'm for my electricity. I say Bawumia nko for and a man on the backfire.
Ya trade light bill. I'm a PDS. Hey, my man, pa the party say the party trust Jim Bonnie di Bonnie at the expense of way. I say we it's a national security. Omusha kochi sankufu.
I from Makwaba, I'm about to say at the back channel. So channel did the Solid TV, and then the Dikaya only dim punim po me subscribe to the channel. Never notification button. I did be that essence say like intiano liking. Not what share linking. You say sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. You should say about 90% of your viewers won't subscribe to the channel, and your boy any faso. And your car will say, oh channel. Now subscribe. But our content we also share. Yes, share the link. We seen about half hour. Me say share the link. A program be we say. I was a link we share my gun and me be nyabi. And the content here they ban. A Japade document. A Japade document buy. Ne be say a boosted moka. It be say fiction. Bananse ya ochine na ama ne problem ochine di kan kasa fa ho eno achi no Ghana man pe na dan kokofo ado so aba be kasa fa ho Gabriel Ochidako a emanfu suze ajapade no meka say de ne kofar buy ana ni po di mutinti man so wa benefiting Gabriel Ochidako ana afesu no Ghana man pe da John do man ni ma so aba bon na ba be kasa na ajapade de ye pese ohun ni say enye MPP amanyukunu so be say mon distance from the Japade document a section of the Achim mafias, not even all the Achim people, and you mean benefited. Not everybody in the eastern region by the Achim mafias. As I told Jano, a man for the air requested for document opa or chatia ye the best sendo. But ye person on your document now. Who read now the studio Franco the air barbecue. Enti efri ne ekopem se yes so baba de ajapade no from crane to cran Franco na e ba betrase ne ya church ajapade no from the chapter 1 to the last chapter where the be a won tiase ye baba to ebu asa chirichiri mu ye the free brofo kasa mu e the back kan kasa mu near the pictures and men can say enema sisi a hs ade no then central big woman and no cre ese na one otimi read President Akufo-Addo adwen ehun say da ache Akufo-Addo be say adiwi what do we call this ministry what do we call works and housing what do we call senate not a sudden actual book say obi nso a then the president is naked me din e de shaibula si say me kan no share link no na subscribe kai say ye production free can studio e wo Ghana ye we above the internet endowment no baby will be a content no e bo kwam and then because of the way say special content no I am not in my regular attire I Solid TV attire no and then we say ye ni abere pa say Ghana ai nyina dia na busua bi say o man opportunity am o mutumi ti no de o mo pe na o so mo tie Ghana o mo fa Ghana Japade e de je o mo nchiriba na orumi no wa me am sorry anko antia sad politician now no afa Ghana e de ahye ne mbansa no ne ba ba ka wo papa amobra me twa mo aba ba Franco de ba ka no
Finally, my family is free because of Rome Villa Estate. Yes, this estate is responsible for selling affordable litigation-free lands that have electricity, water, and accessible roads. I am so happy.
Franco na hita ababeka. Franco akwaba.
Major social blessings.
Na where?
Nyame adaroma, me is also way.
Oko.
The nyame ase.
Yenche obi bia.
Yes,
I'm saying it was some few days to papaya onia kumana. And I'm saying is this 4th or 5th?
Okay.
And you know, and 5th.
5th.
Na ayi so ye 22nd of August.
Chaka 17 days.
17 days.
Okay.
One kind.
Okay.
Lashebi funeral home.
Okay.
Tin eduru ho a abusuafo nyina emejae.
Okay.
Ya si o papaya onia kuma ayefe no. Mr. Isaac Bodom. Wato anamo ewo nsedo na empanyimfo ena abusuafo amoda Bodom abusuana no e kire se yenia no ye beye awufusom e de ama no da no that is 22nd of August no ewo Lashebi funeral home from an past 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. After 9 a.m. so you better another one so at the amano. If you are pen crab and there's about from make us a prem to bre, comes in Siabone de Yino atata so until you say Adolfone jam for Sidua Mumran Kujaba Paya or Nebushona you a young Kuja or no Cobeba until Atonus de Momia de Yenti Momia and Concujano. Franco,
yes, sir.
A Japadie. Yeah, a Japadie document.
Okay.
Maminchia also a Denver, Colorado, Asante.
Okay. US of A.
US of A.
Oh, fine.
Nidin at the Nana Kwabena Sikena.
Nana Kwabena
Sikena. Denver, Colorado. US of A. Asante. Asante for more in our
oh, fine.
You call them say all the 50 states in America. Or more Asante. Me say, UK for do more question than a time come on so cut almost the idiom.
So do you US of A.
Asante F papa. Now call UK head on my end.
Okay.
Or much as Asante a your mind. No could do my for almost like me chill minus ready.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, Baba yet.
But
Karim.
Oh, me and my son Karim. Former MC the Maso Koremampo.
Former MC the Maso Karim.
Alidu.
And I mean him is a friend Karim.
Alidu bodyguard.
Ah, a friend Karim.
A friend Karim.
Okay.
So one also saw bronze.
Okay.
US of A.
Hey.
And now, or friend will be some was or friend video call. Or then I contact Baba Kande Jabati.
Okay.
I just won't go no to the by so also New York Bronx.
Okay.
1240 Walton Avenue. And almost some fashion in Niagara cry. You know, but we will be a man child. There be a message is an honor and a privilege to be on this particular show. I'm set. I'm ready. See about the edge, man.
Okay. But we have a Japanese document. I'm saying a president Akasai de Afahu and a Ghana man penny abedi because that dance so Akasa Fahu and not checking so Akasa Fahu until whoever you say because say when you had a document form now or can you on TS
say too technical
but one of it technical and they are but easy things of the bit TS and go watching the video with the bare facts facts and figures more appealing than the old reading.
Yes.
I didn't know it. The Baby free herself from clinking to cranking.
Okay. Shabu
Franco.
This is the Japadia document.
Okay.
And to be a Biano. A Japadiano. Ubi moi. Unya G. Ubi moi. Nipa Udika Huni.
Nay, where? That's how I'll change him.
Thank you. Or Saji for a motive for the penny. Or none and people here to actually. This is a well. Shabu. A quack so Papa Bobra.
And some crata.
Yes. Now all corner. Or say a Japadia would jatu honey. It is a Japadian as well to the baby.
Okay.
Now, when so young Kofwa or Martinez Dia Casse or more a dibone, now Borino Mudino, and was
or Mudino for the penny dean.
Yes.
Now, then they who he has another Baba Clan on
Shabu
Franco.
Oh, yeah, NPP and yes, I do.
Are they?
No, see, I'm going to explain. Oh, yeah, NPP here, and yes, I do. This book, this document, a peculiar to a certain kind of family.
of achim nya achim for no
Jank nya achim for nyina
to achim ni kwampa sira distance
me say ade we ma MPP for nyi nka o mani ase
no mo ya ebe ha mo
shabu
but MP for be the so distance on because MP for Akufo-Addo bae na under the Akufo-Addo no say era no and implemented japade no
omo twa buku na MPP ni bia ni ho tiaso ma ka kire no to omo ma wo gangali ya for ma be ginam a che so say na ade ne tie no me so be measured ade na wo ba be defend no e so hu sa ade no tie ade na see. If you look at this will, this sacred document, it was prepared for just some few people. Eye busua bi na busua no ketewa bi adodode ewo mo pediedi at the expense of the ordinary Ghanaian. And my MPP ni megye nto no say ade we a fiction, a concocted, a reality, a rubbish, a no.
And the Oba Ghana, I don't see what Ghana. Baba Ghana na I talk Eastern region.
Yes.
Oko do Eastern region.
Yes.
And Eastern region.
Dabi.
Aye Chebi.
Yes.
Chebi ni kwampo.
Yes.
And no bia. Mo a we chloroform of for penny ase.
Aye fie ketewa bi mu. Fie ketewa akwa say ne. E bia asante manhia. Na obi a wo hwe this sacred document. The whole nyina ne say manhia ho na all at the expense
of the entire Asante.
Thank you. And when they say make kasa achim for me say a section of the Achim people. You can label them to be mafias. You can label them to Boko Haram. This is the document. Shabu, page 1. Or say forward. Or say to our future, made up of the present and the unborn, for whom this will of a nation is being prepared. TB will say, our future, made up of present, the unborn, for whom this will of the nation is being prepared.
Was say, ye dachi.
Yes.
Ye ka dachi na, ye omutia and woman so ye young woman.
Thank you.
And ye sansa man secretary e de jaw.
Me da say. Or say to our foremost king, or for the penny, the project spread across this world, for whom and to whom alone this sacred document is prepared.
Was say, ye hini wudimu.
Yes.
Of for penny.
Yes.
Ni dimu ni ejaso. Ede aye sansa man secretary ya.
Yes.
And sansa man secretary. Any kwase ko ba bia.
Thank you. As the heirs, or say as the heirs of Nana Apianim Kwaframa, Nana Kuntun Kunuku, and Oforipanyi, our people were never defeated in the wars of old. We were nobody's subjects, and yet, after 1957, we were made to live in the shadows of the descendants of people who never defeated us in war, while the Ashanti Kingdom was uplifted to put us in the shade.
What say?
Yes.
What say? Ahimfo emu na abremu no enya ade asa abusua we omudi nkugo ewo ntoka bia mu ana o ma so ankoye enko baabi na emu hwe a ewo amamuo mu nhyehyɛ mu no e kama se na asantefo no ya be di omo so
shabu na nim history per history yes achimfo timi ni asantefo timi ko aka cha asantefo so ye obi abre yenko ne san ko prepare ho ne yem san mra I don't know maybe obi timi obetimi abo am say abua ko sa chima abua kwafo eko asante ni bi
ya bakosema ye pese be boso but asante ne achim ekon ya
yes
ema got your point ya say no kwenye no krom say achim for da asante for say
yes
omuntu ntokwa ne sheda no say o say crop ya asante ko mo baby say ukuma apema apembeba
yes
enti asante eko ko adontenfo no edi ani mo ko tama wo yesa bia wakum adontenfo no obabenya the king himself no na bia bengufo no ba be di ani na bia achidomfo no so aba ana bia nifafo no so aba enti wo no mo ko a untimi enya mo henda to but ko bia sande korko ukuma apemba na achemfo no plan ne se omukoteta asantefo no ewo asuo brem ni mu a omuduru aye twa nsu a saa system no enya adwuma ho enti ye ho ana omukoteta ya saa bone sem ni siem na abakwasem a kire se the then asante hina odi omani kwa ekon ye ema saa ni sie no onu free mu no mampoyene anji antum say omadi nkugo won na be take baton ekodi achemfo no so de so mo wie no na the then mampoyene kwa say na nsaba akokora atwa kwa because na he was poised say ni wu akon ato a ono no mo ni omusukun enti enu tina asante abakosem no sa asante ne ete the golden stool so
yes
mampoyene ete the silver stool so that's abakosem akra Mati, and I stand to be corrected.
Utiha, almost say, before 1957,
Okay.
before 1957, open the most powerful people na yachim for.
Sure.
They've never went into battle or war or malusu.
There be.
Eba edition muso mabing.
Yeah.
Now after say you can Ghana boom in 1957, you can't Ghana. Now as a man for the matensi na aqua koma 74. And they are trying to uplift Malaysia.
Yeah.
They are trying to uplift Otum Formo, so they have issues with it.
Now, some man's okay day.
Ah,
okay, man's day.
Obiani Mus.
Asante hine, na ne man hine ba ko te se mampon.
Yes.
Nothing a brim pon mampon hine.
Yes.
Dia kwanta hine ne agogo state mu.
Yes.
And it is a sebi.
But almost say, before 1957, they were too powerful. Nobody defeated them. Obian defeat you in war. Nemo me ka Ghana ni nyabo ma kasa Ghana no. From 1957 they've given major attention at the moment here.
Okay.
Any Otum form, any Asante for, so they have issues with
Because of political Asante the crowd masses no. And me Amanunia I opt for Asante because the crowd dom an election about numbers.
almost say how.
Okay.
Or say in relatively recent times, the struggles and works of J.B. Dankwa to restore Ochiman to its original glory were touted, but he fought bravely to the end.
Was saying Nancy Yano, and I said, make a crane.
Yes.
Anna, or Hinebo, Papa Bonnie, JB Dankwa.
Yeah, JB.
Yeah, now you say, yeah, now you say, or best sign up Pija,
Yes.
sign Munyamna, not a chim for one.
Yes.
And I'm Kwangusiaga.
But he fought bravely to the end.
But ultimately, make a Okonko or the Okonkusi.
Thank you. And if you look at J.B. Dankwa, they feel and think, say, Oko Achimwa, he was the pinnacle, he was the leader. Openipa Bakua, as an ultimately leading the forces of Achima, a way of J.B. Dankwa.
Okay.
Yes, it got to the end. He wasn't rewarded. Shabu,
Franco.
was say, with the arrival of Nana, and this is another Dankwa Kufuado.
Was say,
Yes.
yes, and a night at Dankwa Kufuado, Ababe Ghana man penny.
Yes. We see the rebirth of J.B. Dankwa, who has come to the rescue.
Yes, sir, who JB Dankwa because on Nasaba,
Yes.
Asantita would use Ababio.
Thank you.
JB Dankwa Ababio, and another Oba Ababe George Man says you.
Thank you. Fully confident that we are currently part of the modern nation Ghana. The name of which was originally proposed by the illustration son of Oforipani of Ochimai, J.B. Dankwa, and aware that it is currently made up of other diverse people, we have to assert our own selves and ensure that we no longer continue to live in the shadows of other kings and people whose forbase we defeated in wars.
Was say,
Yes.
Baby and another Baby do need
Yes.
I was so much share or many ye, not much to 2 million ye. Na a maybe and can say a body be a new crow, say, or more quadding kunim, I no more and so be a sen. Sa abudin or more sansaka.
Thank you. Another way I realize I'm a baby mama.
Mate.
As I'm a kind be a woman in church, but said they will see church at the end.
Let me say you.
Oh, SMP and a poem, Mefra Papa, or Baby Biama. Was say, in spite of our tremendous contribution to this Ghana entity, Ochimai has not been credited with the appropriate awe and grandeur that we rightly deserve in recent times.
Was say, okay, a chin for or more dimbo or my whole day. Ah, or the other boy or man in Chichen. Ochiman, and ya dear baby, a boom with you can't say, or my kitchen, come.
Currently, with Nana in total control of the whole entity of Ghana, the whole entity of Ghana, the president of the Republic of Ghana.
Sisia Nana Kufuado, she had a Ghana, she had Ghana, a muni per mundi, a munsu.
Thank you. We have a duty to ensure that we take over our commanding heights of the essential fabric of the country in order that in the event that Nana leaves the scene after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughters of Ochiman will be firmly secured and such control, both financially, economically, that we can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana.
Or say, Ghana man penada Kufuado and ya banadia. I was say, or make it sure, not for quite biaso. Now, or mine, most of by beer out of the dear free move piano. Ye de achim for a trade to step. Sananado, name Finch young or chino, esi na se onye Ghana mampani a enkom koba da se achimfo omekọ so ayɛ kada de ɛde ɔmo nsa to ɔmo nsɛm ɛkɔ baabi ɛkɔ akɔsɛsɛ de na ɔmo nyɛ sika ɔmo nyɛ japade fi sɛ adododi ɔmo man nyɛ da hyɛ ɔmo nsa.
Thank you. Well, say to achieve, we need to appropriate the fundamental economic and financial levers which will guarantee such control in years to come.
Wase se betimi ama saade we abama se betimi afa de pa bi epese finance betimi aye nhyere pe na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔman no menka sɛ ɔman na sikasɛm ɛne ɔman ne ba bi a ɔfa adododi afi mu de ɛwɔ sɛ achemfo no capture ho.
Thank you. In doing this, we need to be strategic. We will have to work with other people from some of the diverse ethnic groups, including some carefully selected people in Ashanti and other diverse ethnicities or land. This will make them believe that they also have a hand in the pie.
Wase ade we ka se ya ɛwɔ sɛ ɛma yɛni da hɔ paa na yɛkɔfa abusuakuakuo ahodoɔ bi ɛbɛka ho sɛ ɛbɛyɛ ɔmɛtumi achieve it. Wɔte titiriw ɛne nipa bi wɔ Asante Mantam wɔse yɛkɔ Asante Mantam yɛtumi gyine yɛ nipa na yɛkɔ yi nipa bi bɛbɛka yɛ project ho saa nipa no bɛyɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ ade na nhyehyɛ na ayɛyɛ no ana ɔman na ade na yɛ fam no ɔmo ka yɛ adwene sɛ ɔmo ka ho bi na yɛ fam na emum sɛ fom a yɛnim deɛ yɛpɛ ne deɛ yɛbɛtu ɔmo table so.
And conform to book, don't joke with them. Where Sherwood can handle critically. They are looking for Ashantis or my general form to use them against an Ashanti. Yeah, baby, shame.
Sir, oh, and I know yes, and the form
Yan conquer fast and yan conquer fast in Lima. But Santifona, Mamma, you better show me your more my general form. Some conform and conform to topmost positions. They will use it to fight against an Ashanti person.
Let me tell you, Franco.
Yes.
Oh, quite cool. That's a winner. The enemy.
Yes.
Who enemy?
Yes.
Will be within our wouldn't fight to a more.
Yes.
Yes, simple. Action for who free baby by implementing what Santa Regina.
Okay.
And father. So when you're Santini or Sebi or Etibon Coswa.
Okay.
Or may you soon. One bet me a no, with me small be.
Yes.
Obekwa wade kwa no akwa tie omo sema ba be kan chi omo no ma fe omo pepe omo no makwa kwa ambusi omo no.
Okay.
Akon kwa so plan yi.
Sharu
Franco.
Or say this will make them believe they also have a hand in pie. Or say it will obscure any suspicion that the project is essentially an Ofori project.
I say ebasa na ebema asantefo ni bi na ya form say omeka mi ndi djuma no so ma gi so ade na ye na omunya na ye
Yes.
ana ebema emanfo adwene nkonkosi say sa project we a Ofori project
And you know, a simple. Say the may be a man for your official Shabula season any year than a Jamano. We will look for people. Our was uncle for our domain or territory. We are going to use them. Or maybe more most not to it.
I say papa bi
Yes.
ena okofa okoware obabi na oba no
Yes.
e wo ba
Yes.
ana onso no e de baba
Yes.
ana no oba na wo ba ba no odo de akra na no oba na wo
Okay.
ana konya aburu
Yes.
ana ode aburu no mienu
Yes.
no man meka na ba no man no ana ode bi misma na yere so ba no man no so obi ambu half man me ba no
Tina Rejo back with Benya one.
enti ina to enya wan tia no bi no mo ye
Shame. Was say this point is crucial. Underline word. This point is crucial. Yes.
e wo se hu hia pa nti o se de ya tutu ya na mo ye se be enkoto amene.
Thank you. Because with the electoral politics, we have to have our eyes on the numbers in the electoral processes. We cannot be blatant until we are completely secured in the endeavor.
What say I say hu hia fi se
Yes.
ye ka amanyosem a
Yes.
dodo ade yo
Yes.
and ye hwe oba Asante Regina dodo na e wo ha se na ani kwase ebu ye ni guso o se ma ye ni da ho netimi ya ade ni se be ya yamfom.
Thank you.
Afiri so ma yamfom.
Simple. Oh, shay buena de easy. It is especially so because so far the Ashanti constitute the single most populous ethnic group in the country.
O say ana sa so na tie se hwe Asante ni abusua o mo do so na so mo so eye oman na wo Ghana say.
Thank you. Well, say, although the Ashanti group within the current NPP is gearing itself to take over the party after the next tenure in 2024, it would be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024.
O say o hwe Asante fo mo MPP ma yuku na almost per se. Omo beje MPP and omo kura MPP franka no that omo kan say na do free wa na e wo say yetimi konkodin ye adwumaden e usual sandefo bi di fight as sandefo no na yetimi je franka kura dibra no e di free sandefo say come obi akụ free stream.
Thank you. So let's look at this. If you look at the internal elections of the New Patriotic Party, Asante Fordo San and Anke Pese be taking over to be the flag bearer of the NPP.
Osa fi yakoto
1
Alan Kojo Martin Kofi Kodo Preku 3 Kojo Nsafwa
4
na am 6
Papa ya Okoye energy minister
Boacha Jako
5 and Obi aka
yeah Asante no kwa na 6 yeah
6 Kwabnaje Japan 6
you come Japan yeah.
Now if you look at all these 6 people
and adenimu
Obi ani wotumi weni
Debi
Obi ani wotumi weni
Alan kwa bonu buga mon jai.
Thank you. They had a reason they say say any panel say you making sure say any panel now your ma Obi free Ashanti be taking over the time of dividends they do no it will be extremely difficult for us to go to the bank to take our dividend they say boneni adem boni no mo say no pono mo bono see ma Obi a onye pro na na adwen yepe na Obi a onye japade document lintuma ebedu sa time na scan na dodode na eba no sani pano boy gara we to create a problem but we should look for someone sani pano you be in bed with us sani pano yare na ko na eba sani pano will detect the tempo and variation for the person it will mean say Asante for the because the na is in bed with over FNJ Ekufo no it will be extremely difficult for this Ajapade document to come to pass sadia. Let's try to obscure all these people. Let's look for someone or no only fit to party. Yemfasa ni panemra. Yadneba you take total control after the exit of Nana Dankwa Kufuado.
Okay.
Sabu.
Franco.
Was say with hard work, with hard work, we could work to bypass the mantle over to a non-account person, preferably from the north, under whose presidency we could secure the maturity of our takeover project.
What is say Jumadina? You bet me. Ama Franka Kurafo Dibra no efiri Asante fo nipa nsia na ebobo mu nyina di no na da kwakobo bi firi esirim se nipa na ebe Ghana mampani a afedes ebidu sabe no na aburo na edua no na so aba yebetime kwakotwa because si atamfo na tozo ntimi gutwa.
Thank you. Shabu
Franco.
Another no kasai. Who is the flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party?
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Ofri
Sirim.
Ofri Zebwa. So it has come to pass.
Okay.
Book right now, Shabu. Baby, who here pane.
Okay.
If we go for elections and Bamia win the elections, book Abama in Nabam or my Sisebi, a be year, Juma. But who is a
the biggest one?
The biggest one in this particular area. So Bamia be taking over, it is a Kufa Nana take over. And the kind of things that will happen, and no more Benyano Shabu, and no bad thing, and it will create problems. I'm telling you. Problems are the and no best. So if you look at Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Mahmoud Bawumia was not a party member. They just gave him a special dispensation, a waiver, for him to come into the New Patriotic Party. And Oba Fufono, almost at that catches, oh, the Erika Koidia, Shabla sees any Franco so more solid. Says Shabu Tam was a CEO or qua, one Franco the back one Sarmano, or more kind of dada manfu.
Like the book we say, even in your position, no more planet. Said Entina, you think I said Nanado, so to future Mukra,
yes,
on one.
Thank you.
Because not your perceive then the back.
Thank you.
Not a Japade document.
Yes,
execute.
Yes. It is a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Siatuaba. Now on the 7th of December, around 9th of December, now Electoral Commission Babon Tebekasa and Papai and Aidin Kunuma, that it means the Japadia document, the greatest portion is coming to be fulfilled.
Okay.
Shabu,
Franco.
Or say, when we have finally captured the command and control sectors of the country of our private use, Tiabi. When we have finally captured the command and control sectors of our country for our private use, we could then be in a better position to ward necessary political and economic measures to manage the destiny of this country under the reign of the House of Ofuripanyini.
Or say, Sietimi Konkodin,
yes,
Nasa Sanji say Bumwa. Ye ba benyesika
yes
na feri tumi a wo oman mu
yes
ene amwadu do emi aba bedi.
Thank you. Ti don person mo kire wa say emfa and say MPP might even go to position. Say MPP go position na ade na omo hwehwe no mo nsa ka wi a they are going to control the systems of Ghana
because say election is about money. MPP called Prime Minister and MPP delegates or more dachi sika.
And the record say, Shabu la sisi, Ewofie, na Shabu opposition, na Shabu Momutifie, and Shabu is controlling and detecting the pace for the MPP. When the better Crawford, I see a Kofaneba, when the better when it's made chairman, as when it means, when it means, that is what they want to happen. And this is what they want to do. Okay. It tells you it's a serious matter. We have to deal with this particular book.
Okay.
Shabu, to be specific, we need to strengthen our efforts to control the mining, the mineral resources, as well as electricity and water institution. The success of this project depends on the way in which we, for the time being, control the judiciary and the press.
What say? Se betimi abamua or say ye jumatin,
Yes.
Na o man ya minerals, ya goodie, any ya nyamodin can ya easy, you know.
Yes.
Ya ne ya control that. And after so say, ya dikait me to sana mon man no kase there. A bad sem twa juma no mo.
Yes.
Ya na dey because ya ne detective.
Thank you.
And ya ba atemu judicial no so a e sia no o take control.
Thank you.
And I'll share that number of appointment ya. Or man penny and to aye to the spirit the spirit up call and after so with a wound to me communication and assassination or ma take the total control.
Preface is the intention. Akwa say o twe book na adwe ma we twe book ni. Ba afia be ko book no kwan yon ba be fa so they are going to implement it. Chabu, me see book we. Me from where I sit, me ni so bi ti ase chen. Book we. The only difference is say omo twe book na me ni hobi. Omo twe no na me ni hobi. But be a full stop no question mark will be I know. Manya daja kan book we. And people should not take it to be a fiction. Me no me say I say almost say MPP for, and you see that is not a problem with MPP. Say MPP for say a Japanese document no. Dia one kasa we pa abronye. Highly disappointed in that guy.
What's it?
I say I dey bia na man for the dia chire we ye dey na kasa masa.
Maybe Adia the president himself has come out to respond to Adia or saying about the council
MPP ayefu.
I brought him saying bibia. And then the president doesn't even know what he's doing.
MPP ayefu.
Maybe it's a president. That bana me no waka sa president responded that.
Chabu. And MPP ayefu. Uti Akufo-Addo say a opposition for me. Now Akufo-Addo person bisa na say what me transfer opposition for trade. Emma would this one. Then what is the relevance of you as a president?
The president is naked.
Me no ya again. He even above naked.
So who was able to read
the mind of the president?
Because book no it's 2017. When who said president the Koyo Pon Kroma not ever call president the
not just reading the mind alone, but reading the mind of the president and the president implementing it. Who? I can read your mind, but means me for social implement.
Now what about reading of president in mind? Now I successful. What's in the account of Japan book? President will mix it back.
Oh, la sisi. Let's see now, look at the conclusion. I say, we conclude with a word of caution. Until we have secured the critical sectors under our country, we should minimize the danger of obvious acts of individual corruption. In order to alienate the rest of the population, we must focus on the ultimate goal. We must seek first the economic and financial levers, and all others will follow eventually. What say? What say? Osura hini ene dia ne kan wo yes na dia kan wo be boa wo be kan sa ne ti o say ti hayi wo say we conclude with a word of caution until we have secured the critical sectors under our control.
I say omode ekona wie na so wo kan say enkosi say omo sabeka and oman no baby adodode ne sika pie mu abedi o mabam mu
Yes,
also mo tu mo na mo ese be ya
thank you. But see, in order to alienate the rest of the population, we must focus on the ultimate goal.
Say, be a bit me because the masses, no,
our attention and the focus will be on the ultimate goal.
Yes. See a person executed Japan document.
And to call the Church of Pentecost, which we can say, me a Christian, and far when you are taking your how I mean come. They won't be Christo, I can't remember what's our summon and my game. That's what.
Thank you.
Timothy, Shabula Sisi, and found the Shabula Sisi by Yami Bibia. Madjing and Makuma, Martin Kenya at the solitude said, we perceive it, Pejak do say. It's Bukuno, son on person much. We must first seek the economic and financial levers, and all others will follow eventually.
Say, Sikasam or Manado the DNA, or say, there is a soon. It is a soon. Every day, Chiraba.
Thank you. But say, wait, I pay 3.
Okay.
Economic and financial sector control.
Economic and financial sector control. Only do
yes. The economy and the financial system constitute the nerves of our country, of every country. Indeed, political power and economical control is extremely linked in such a way that any group that controls the economic might of a nation essentially controls its power, its political power.
What say?
Yes.
See, I can't on my bianchi,
yes,
and the canqua. A man see Casem, and no man she.
Yes.
That is the economy.
Yes.
Now, say a bushia be another kubia or metimi. Etimi abenya omansi kasema be di omunche ana omansi she pa be di omunche
yes
omune de biano
okay
omuche ba bi omane de enko.
Thank you. At the same time, political power is virtually a condition precedent to economic and financial power in our country, Africa as a whole.
What say so ba oman biamu a
yes
oman no amanyosem tumi ana yetimi nya ne de timi di pe oman sika ana so oman adodo de na titru sa oba bibrim man mu a se wo sika ene the economic power there the opposite e biaro betimai
shabu engo fo mu twere buku kese se da lock you se de no my adwen fan solve your problems for Ghana
metima RCD to dollar
me to nyame otas we work calculated rehearsed planned they are executing it e dia adwen pa be ba shabula sisi trim pa be makase what na se din ya de say at the expense of the ordinary Ghanaian be ma be na ma me ma shebe be ma be kan ma
yeah
shabu is serious. It is dangerous. These people, we should never ever joke with them or say our agenda for political dominance would hinge our financial might. We therefore need overwhelming control of the key economic growth pillars of Ghana.
Or say
yes
ya botaye na de si eni so say ye betimi anya oman no amanyukuo mu dibre ni tumi no e begina oman no sikasem se betimi de ye betimi afa na sa de we na na ma so yitu no prayer.
Hi. Such dominance will assure significant inflow of resources to finance our political blueprint.
Or say, see it to me, politically, see it to me, yes, can dominance there. A betting aboa ama amanyo semu to me be a pebiano, ye be a fee say, yes, cabibri,
again, control of key economic and financial sectors will give unparalleled leverage in the periods which may not have direct political authority.
Or say,
yes,
say, yet to me a control key people, we can say, mining,
yes,
as you say, mining, maybe I say energy, maybe finance,
yes,
say to me control these key things now. A bit to me, amma, will be BI or near cooperate to me be a nipano or mayor cry because encore tier do me is cat and the council in any idea politics.
Hey. With economic power, we could manipulate the system to generate unfavorable economic situations enough to make any government of the day not directly under our control to become unpopular.
Or say, see it to me, any sika, the economic power, or my humor. Say, Nana, don't cook for an MPP crat in China, not saying this also. Or more find this in your view. Fidesicano et al. Nanado from 2017 and because 2008 or bought short running no niska by Neuska. Then whoever become the president or Mutomo found wanted that says you could forward 20 Papa Padi. Nothing. Want to say I could forward 20 Japan says 2021 whenever I'm going to meet me. So what to be paid? If they are financially sound, they have a lot of resources. Still, they can be at home and will be control the economy of Ghana. Nabio say MPP for the Rachi Mafia, so many Wusika. That's a Omampiri Mama, yes, and their president.
Yes,
thank you.
The importance of a significantly large and stable financial firepower to finance the execution of political and economic control project cannot be overemphasized.
Say a team of poor, say a betting sika, a dododie, never see a co amano semu pre, near between Skada Boho Bradia, and Yadia said to us a cry.
Shabu,
Franco.
now pay 10, phase 1, paragraph 1.2. The first phase of the economic and financial control was to be implemented in Nana's first term of office. As we get closer to the end of the first term, we have to set the ball rolling regarding the objectives set out in our first document.
Was say my musika same 2 million the other neck was say yeno. Nana do buy na 2017 na cause near ye. By your intimate. Say, see, another the second, the first, I better win. I was here started praying, say, you bet me, I will at 10.
Thank you. There have been difficulties, largely due to some pitfalls on our part.
Or say, a woman say, how named Timatoka Club, but answer to ruling for Nana by the first time.
Thank you. Or say, for example, the control of the electricity sector could have been handled better. That if not been for the greed of some of the non-Achim elite we had included as cover.
Sure. Or say, and fact one the same, ka electricity and compass or take over. Na anye year. A because of fan could own Achim for no machine. Now, Bekaya, ye kind I forward no, or can say, or see a cost selecting cophobia, and the back I will say a bit more. Now, my mama fatum. A Benny PDS,
thank you.
I'm for my electricity. As a Baumia for and a man on the backfire.
You trip to light bill. I'm a PDS.
Yes, come on, yes, no second go through ya. I think for home the control electricity.
Thank you.
They can't see dear cry and go to the farm. Massa.
This same area here, not Achim elite. Nipo mo kanasem. Ebo chejako. Mama Chow, Ameridio.
Yeah.
When John Dramani Mama Ameridio, it was 510 million. MPP for say, Scano, your mana. If they come to power, they are going to make sure say they are going to do renegotiation. Chabu, renegotiation, yeah, and Kasanko for Yeska cry to be around $650 million. Renegotiation of Ameridio. Sanke Jitumua, Kagana. Nkaskan Kufu Benya is around $650 million. Okay, to a better say, Anka Horan come to him managing ye, and Anka problem Amawa, and Uncle Deep. But Oma handle ye, and go for Missua, ye conform with some Yenianum. Our Monyachim for Bamoya Cratch for an Ankitus are, or Mufi Eastern Pania Santi Pasedo Monantino, almost so concrete problem the Mai. And next time, ye quack you be, we should be extremely careful, even. If person on your Achim Ukrana, we should get someone.
Of course, we make no control.
Thank you. Again, the way of some CSOs obtain vital information easily about the Ejapa project has resulted them wrong footings us and emboldened opposition to jump into the fray. We should, however, find some ingenious ways to overcome the opposition. Shaibu ha. Don't be so much change that I say. Okay, Japa.
Yeah. Ajapa.
Okay, Japa. When you Japa,
I sometimes men I can go through that. Man, not Frank Yakuminis Kapapa.
Whom Ripan and complain by Bess or Safuma Fuba.
Okay.
Look at the managing director for Ajapa. I was Safuma Fuba Dini BP the amount. Ope Adebaqua Ghana among force stood against it and fought it. Ajapa deal.
It's Ajapa. Royals something.
Japan royalties.
Yes, royalties, yeah.
Japan royalties. Can go through. Can you can't some fufro? I quite say, Shabla sees it said a biao Kenyans, some Anafi, MPP for Bishia. No, because I Shabudia now pay. Shabu be kind 10 million Ghana cities for two. Na Abia, Yamauka, Yamawi. Shabu affairs of boy objective or can claim. Na Shabu Casem fufro. One will be a 1 year or Casapi. Thank you. This Ankadi will go through. Muni atembe 3,000 years. We don't care. Our ultimate responsibility, and as I dare say it me emane bam. Yamana bam we don't care what Ghanaians want. Chabu, was it challenges, was it changes in the leadership of most supervisory institutions, particularly the central bank and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has allowed for other blueprints to be implemented. Tia, omo patches say, omo ye changes in the leadership of supervisory institutions. Ebi say Bank of Ghana,
the central bank.
Tia some bi Bank of Ghana. Na the bank Akufo-Addo buy na papa first. What if Addison? Addison. Oboni din.
Yeah.
Now if you look at the first deputy there, be Afram.
Yeah.
And Obana do mo fane nkan. But these two people.
Obana some say Akufo.
Thank you. LCB.
Yeah.
If you look at these two people here, they take control of central bank. They are with us. You don't want to fight. So any decisions that they will take, it will go and benefit us. Security,
Security agencies.
Yes. And then Security and Exchange Commission. It's a new problem. Also, for example, the financial cleanup exercise successfully eliminated some banks with hostile ownership. The catch was say, some banks they had a motive. The motive was in line with Kufuor fashion and the NDC. Or more, you spell Muninano, I am Kufuor, they are in bed with the Kufuor-Addo. They do what make rich from the time I say they are in bed with the Kufuor-Addo. Sovereign Bank, GN Bank, they are in bed with already the J. Kufuor. Or Mono, they had issues with them. Timmy they had issues with them. Your friends NDC, your friends
Big Capital,
don't go more. And then Papa friends do for they have issues with them because every transaction of the NDC pay their checks passes through this kind of banks. For us to be able to mute them and limit them, you have to create problems for them.
Okay.
Tishabu, they do what makes it Data Bank.
Okay.
Data Bank Financial Services have been playing the role of transaction advisor in major government deals, while the enterprise group is the main insurer of government assets. Our international projects are also playing their part in accordance with our broad objective. Ghana, another no can say, every financial transaction, it goes outside the jurisdiction of Ghana. International. NIPA, they consult them, they give advice. Hey, Data Bank.
Okay.
Data Bank is one idea.
Idea. Can you follow that?
Thank you. You remember us? Oh, Shabula Sisi the CEO for Solid TV. Shabula Sisi, you promote to the Nico baby, but still you still control this area.
Yeah.
You control it from a distance. You control it from away. But still, we a major industrial player. It was Solid TV. And can you conflict of interest say the finance minister or on the bank and a technical advisor
and a Basia could passes through the data bank.
Thank you.
And then a company so ensure your boss say
thank you. So it tells you say idea be a course biano. They know it. They have a primitive idea about it. They have understanding about it. And it's a serious.
Rome Villa STC and Kancha say we are Ghana near Obobra, our Ghana now per se. Usifi, we are Ghana near Obobra, our Bruce. Now, to assassin, a Sifia, a Rome Villa Estate. Now, Rome Villa Estate in Sasson, a good anchor will be. Now, Sassi at Tina Cassia, I can say, I tell it. Now, Niggy Sam say, yeah, they are quite ensuring Kanya at their boss, Sansa, ye drinks in a bibri. Now, assassin, Nip was that form. And there were a flexible terms of payment at the amount. But between now, we had the first payment that your percentage will do 3 years. Then in den charge the plan amount. Now the asab for no started. A do Juma Pia Udi. And then if you want to do an investment, invest in lands. Yes, invest in lands. Now lands is also invested so much. Just Room Villa Estate. One and Sassy and our tour. Unyaman Subia, Obiakota Assassin, I could be the police station, Biakota Assassin, Bako could be the court, Biakota Assassin, I could be in fee. But Room Villa City, Obi between the Sassin Busse, or Tossassin or Room Villa State, no, Wanyaman Subia. Number 0592 223386 0592 223386. If you want to buy a good land, just buy it from Room Villa Estate.
Shabu. Or say the insertion of Kelny GVG into the telecommunication space and implementation of Unipass are the Ghana's key entry port and other notable success of phase 1.
Okay.
Minim so be kaya di we
Yeah.
Sanko fo we.
Yes, I form say
Kelny GVG
the Kelny. And you know, I can't come with the be ABC communication one. And I go find
I said $89 million.
I say
I shall bless it. Among for Kwanya Bressa, we should go for the Minister for Communication. Young Fanning Court, rest on my way. This woman has been cleared by a Kufuan. But can I
because in maybe I didn't free by you. The moment was work.
what kind was it the insertion of the
Was it the insertion of Kelny GVG into the telecommunication space and the implementation of Unipass at Ghana's key entry ports are other notable successful of phase 1.
Thank you. Phase 1 is the first time of a Kufuan. The OTM Bian Kobo Kelny GVG on her date and a time be the Abba. And yet, when you're the second phase of a Kufuan,
$89 million.
$89 million.
I say,
I shall bless it.
yeah, and she'll be a because born in idea and in Nepal, one could eat about. Thank you. They are clear.
What say? The digitization of payment processes through the implementation of Ghana Quick Response Code is progressing steadily and is getting impetus from the desired banks to entrench digital banking. In response of COVID-19, the Japan royalties, special purpose vehicle implementation have been slowed by COVID-19, but is one that must not be allowed to fail. What was COVID-19 buying? The processes I did Yankee bet making sure say, sir, idea we have found a Japan royalties, bet my year, you might yet when yes, can you film? COVID not slowing down, but they are telling or more who say, Sadia we scout. But say, no matter how they need slow, COVID up by a slow down. They should have a nice way to execute this plan.
Hey, now, frankly, I can't GVG $89 million. I see.
Oh, my mom wants to see ya. My mom wants to. Professor Bochero Kelly
debut na yeti omanya sika sei etimi gira yeti didi agro na sika no hwim na ekọ na ya utimi an trace sika no na president ba be clear den ko form sika do mo wie go na masa wi
kan
was say
kan
dozie 89 million Kelny GVG deal. Sikana 89 million.
89 million US.
Not 20 million US dollar. 89.
Yes. 89. And you see, Shabu Areho, where Franklin could you mean about Bonjebe Kasai? Or say, payment of Kelny GVG, Communications Ministry engaged in theft. Omo career, you know. Esla became too powerful to a point. And listen to what the woman was saying. Kelny GVG made savings of 1.1 million weekly, says Esla. No, how many? Adewe, don't take it to be a fiction. Don't joke with it. Listen to what the woman was saying. Kelny GVG made savings of 1.1 million weekly, says Esla. No, how many? Adewe, don't take it to be a fiction. Don't joke with it. Adebi o waye biano, they are doing it. Kakra. Me say, Shabu, do you a book no? Or try us yet. We go into it. And I'm actually Kelly GVG, 89 million US dollars. What you test what was in me? Insanity. What say? Notable setbacks occurred in the power sector and civil society, and opposition NDC were able to galvanize enough public opinion against the renegotiation and merit deal.
Or say
yes.
Notable setbacks occur in the power sector as civil society and the opposition NDC were able to galvanize enough public opinion against the renegotiation and merit deal and the Power Distribution Service (PDS) takeover of the Electricity Company of Ghana. Was it the takeover of Kotoka International Airport by the use of management agreement is also one that is facing a considerable headwind.
Shabu,
Franco.
I want to say renegotiated a marriage deal by Parliament. The executive director of ASAP, Bernard Boache, want to reject the renegotiation a marriage deal. Government on Thursday laid a fresh bill before Parliament to amend the contribution of a marriage deal. Shabu, a marriage deal. Nanka MPP force said they want to take it from a year, say 5 years, to almost 10 years.
10 years.
We are going to pay a triple
of the Mahama Kwabai.
This is Ghana for Shabu. It will make sure a married deal. 1 year is aqua. Motive. Yes, a married deal. And it tells you, sir, we have a problem, we have to deal with the problem. Shabu. The NPP, okay, let me not say the NPP. Now they don't call Kufuado.
And the
call for yes, they were going to benefit. Where new America and an embarrassment to Akufuado. Shabu, 510 million. They say a pejaya where they wanted to go for 15 years. No, can say 10 years.
15 years.
7 almost say every year they give to 72 million. $72 million. Yes, multiply by 15 years. I'm just saying, I'm going to and then I'm for started. What say? Said a man for Sikasa de Far, who a year did the fire. Now, my married to the crap or say, I said opposition NDC. Yes, governor, say, or man support. Thank you. I'm a kick again. Nipo, you are crying boy Chajako. When boy Chajako said, say, almost I married the renegotiation. You're a year. Akufo-Addo was very smart. Or say he has been misled. Okay. That time, Nipo issue executive power and executive order was the press secretary to the, I don't know, the executive secretary to the president. So president and cabinet at that material moment. There is a lot of powers residing to the president. Nipo trust our letter no, and the more money a lawyer as I did here too. Akufo-Addo is also a lawyer, but they are not thinking about the interest of Ghanaians. Skombenya 72 million multiplied by 15. Skombenya one of okay. Observe come out for needed to Krumare Saromana Shabu and Komevi. PDS sign will be what? Yeah. PDS, we say conform to this kind of will be any by your war. So it tells you there is a problem. What say? The takeover of Kotoka International Airport by the use of management agreement is also one that is facing considerable headwinds for workers. Some conform with him so Kaya. Oh, why is airport to assist security. Airport where I say, linear grand scheme of liquidity. Grand scheme of liquidity. And it tells you this is the mindset of the people. Shabu, was it the lessons learned from this must guide our execution? Tia. You must learn woman. I say to me, God, to me, coach you. PDS now. And go through. Thank you. A Japan Royal, so I go through. Thank you. And electrician until a near be an uncle yon or so almost. Thank you. Not the next time, by being a better be an omitment. Why the teacher must say economic and financial sector agenda. These are vital assets that we must pursue in phase 2. Yeah. Our media and public relations must strategize to control the public discourse to ensure successful acquisition of this asset. And no, and I could do a punk or make my dictative weak at the SA. Will say these are vital assets we must pursue in phase 2. Our media and the public relations wing. Our media and public relations wings. Public relations are what communication directors. So could you point corner of friends and Jeffrey will be an dictated when you thank you. Discuss we must strategize to control the public discourse to ensure a successful acquisition of this asset. ATM can once. You be in ye. You never buy was near 12 years. You told me another person you be a who you do what you Hey, Shabu 1.3 phase 2. This state is scheduled to commence from January 2021. Hey, no man, who part the party say Shabu. The Petimitras Jim Bonnie Deep Bonnet at the expense of way. I say we it's a national security. Someone saying this for until was it Jacopo Munchom. Someone saying this for Jacopo Munchom. They say, I deal with Obibia would team be a Ghana near. Some persons argue with the Bema, we have to change government. Yeah. I'm telling you, Some persons had you be
say crasa Japan document or say somebody and whoever can be I was a Ghana for a petition and then Japan document to Saban Kunini.
So massa.
No was set a public inquiry into a Japanese document. Yet, poor Mochi on Chomo, and a baby of my executive and a young coach Giscano and Victor.
This stage is scheduled to commence from January 2021, given the high livelihood of Ghanaians, giving another term to govern the country.
How is another? Say Ghana for a 2 baby primano, 2021. I want a baby implemented at the second phase.
Yes. Or say, this phase will consolidate the gains made in banking, insurance, and capital markets, financial sector. It will also see to the taking of significant stakes in mining, oil, gas, telecommunication, as well as marine aviation. The area of general manufacturing and commerce, which was not part of phase 1, has been introduced here. The phase 1, now among 5 manufacturing. Any comments? But once I got to no, it's banking, you be banking cleanup exercise. Insurance, a Japan warriors will be bum. Capital markets, we are going to make sure so we control and dictate the tempo of our financial area. Shabu, say banking, insurance, and capital markets sector control of this vital area will need to be expanded from a tier 2 system to a tier 3 system. What a payer, Obete. Yes, I and a pension for Sikabi, but it's tier 1, tier 2. Who has asked? I see it. It's tier 2 for. But tier 1, tier 2. And let's go to baby. What Kaiser Nano, mammy, your friend say, former chief of staff, I say, Chief Justice. Add something. So far. Was so didn't see Kakwa. So the fire oh, Kwakunya Mishra. So fire Kufu. Was so didn't see Kakwa to insurance companies. Okay. What I come out buying for bond. And haircut. Continuity. Manu pay me to lose. People here, Juma, Baba, a buy a jar for in a penny. The Hika at the towards a dash of Kwame. And the Kufado. And I judges are court. What we pay? What we pay? I'm a chief justice demonstration. Tea. And the Kufado. And a judges. Court. Judges are no more than no Kukuno. Some judges now say court. Mean TB Benny history. And Omoko secure injunctions. The some poor injunction will cry a year. The Omoko somewhere. Dishabu. Son and one to say. The strategies to be deployed in such subsectors will be along with the lines of the mother, biological, and adopted children. It will be direct control, indirect control, the mother. Shabu, further here. Banking, page 5. Okay. We are then remember me. If you are, the more we be. Because I want to say, Indian and Lenity. So. Banking, control of the mother is essential to the control in the industry. So far, the head of the mother and his first deputy are strongly aligned to our cause. Say a mother, yes, a Bank of Ghana. Mother Bank, Bank of Ghana. Ghana, Bank of Ghana, say. Ghana's Kenya Bank of Ghana for the only a supervisory unit. And just so could be a banger. Yes, that's what means minimum capital of this. Is what means say, so what means say. Now, for them to play it safe, almost say, or more Baba Yada, then more Baba Yellow. They are going to make sure that Ghana banks in young world don't be so job on us. So I can't say, clean up exercise. A 25 billion Ghana cities. So I can't say, revamp, and say, bank and no order. Umsika Soy Basa. Me Mamuska Mudia so much in your wording. At me, I ran it. Thank you. And no 4 billion Ghana cities. But before we prefer to go for the 25 billion. A woman and I will explain to you. Okay. Shabu. Mama say, who come Nipana? Oboka 25 billion. Yes. Oh man and Kwa, 4 billion. Yes. Thank you. 4 billion. Workers are here in Mother's War. Unemployment rate in Kosovo. The Bia Kama. But we will prefer, you prefer for 25 billion. Yes, at the expense of this. Now, Shabu. Thank you. Shadiano. Mama say, Diadikai, if you look at Boss now, Boss Nankasano, Obia, Bank of Ghana. Commissioner, the person is in bed with them, is aligned to them. Okay. They are tossing you know. If you look at first deputy now, first deputy is only on my or the first deputy in ABPR. But if you look at the second deputy, the second deputy is not in bed with them.
Okay.
Second deputy won't come. And we are doing my fire. I'm say they are from our compound. Sekas will be from your compound.
Yes, many at here. Thank you.
And young friends say to you, the BBC Maka say Austin is in our compound. Means any Austin the court na mekrana. I did be a yen who fear bia. I dream ye be born, probably a boss a purpose a bonny Austin. To say who's Austin na kosha baby. We should not be afraid because Austin will push for our agenda.
Yeah.
Shabu. I say and we perceive no threat from these two.
Like somebody in Sue.
Nippon or a governor. Any first deputy governor, or me and Crawford. There's no need, say so, to be a gender advocate or your bar. And also not a source of discomfort.
Yeah.
In this way, there is no need for changes in those places. There's no need. It is how far noted that the head is likely to reach a retirement age before the end of phase 2.
Was say head no enche obeko and homegym answer phase 2 no.
And Addison enche obeko na homegym answer phase 2 na so. In that situation, the first deputy will have to be supported to take over.
I said the Udinichi and Abedechi now say you any paper no or take over as the governor of Bank of Ghana.
Replacement of the first deputy in such circumstances will not be by promoting the second deputy in the role of the first.
Until they say a basana. See a case problem first deputy speaker, the first deputy now. And yet automatically say the second deputy because
thank you. And the other person much I say in every corporate settings, Shabula Sisi is the CEO, Papaya is the director general. Papaya you have to take over. Franco your first deputy in terms of corporate settings. SSA name of Sydney Bayer man, you won't have plans in Untino. We will bypass it.
Now for be Austin about place you.
They are not quite more do her. Oh yes, Nabotre. Or more do her. Or say in that situation, the first deputy okay. Rather, or say the second deputy into the role of the first. Rather, a strong Bamia loyalist should be appointed to the role to further strengthen the Bamia political cause.
I said, poor Bia on so on the Bamia Konnakrana near promoting on so be second deputy.
Yes,
said a bear also be team about no play Bamia agenda.
Thank you. And it's a probia manaba. And say a probia, I said, or ye obia, or ne Bamia
Konnakrana.
The assembly be. The person would say, I say, Addison,
Addison.
And check na second term be call we na retirement age aka kache nti be jane se wonko so okwa first deputy no e say you push him adene ko
no ehun okay
yes do your second deputy ni do your ba onkan
on kofo ni bia
enti emfa ho so be ba akofo obi a oya bamia royalist or oya a clerk
yeah
e Bank of Ghana to push the person to even become the first deputy
now only the computer when is Ankuma yire no and information man you say a political appointment.
Okay.
And was share the near my egg corner.
Yes.
And like MP Victor MP Lushomba or one if you and to and also we're second deputy speaker at the second deputy in Swa. That's a Jao Koya.
Yes.
We see career.
Thank you.
And I understand as a governor.
Yes.
See Jao Koya $3 million. Okonko Jessica
$3 million.
$3 million.
Most of Muniska. That were Kufuad was foreign in Ukraine. Zelensky was a quacope agriculture equipment Bagana.
But on himself, Nisa is Ankuma was it among Koyano say also health yes. But sir Omonkoy Omayano it because say some answer first deputy second deputy and a governor, a political appointment. Yes. But so any of the heads there and yet political.
There's almost a strong Bamia loyalist to take over as a second deputy, the first deputy.
Yeah.
This is in line with protecting the legacy of Rana.
Okay.
Protecting the legacy of Akufo-Addo could enable us to step aside and further alienate the Akufo fashion.
So I say, you feel more.
Yes.
You bet him at now, Nakufo.
Yes.
Yeah, you must from kakra.
Thank you. And you know, Kofon Kofono, and a GN bank,
Yeah,
and a sovereign bank. And it's very simple. Just Uncle Ford as what system no more. Anytime you are going for even internal elections, Kofo can call them and say, Shabula Sisi is on our ticket. Over. Nobody is coming from any campaign. See, and to play it safe. I didn't the young bank, young kitty problem more. Even if Kofo call for the crack or Unyakapre.
what a bank
Say, say,
and a goose is carrying a fat.
as I say, you are in power in opposition. Your party is in power, but who individual you are in opposition. It was say Kase alienator. It means they want to isolate Kofo fashion.
Yeah,
Kofo fashion will not be relevant in the banking sector.
so Muniska,
If they have a plan. Shabu, these are banks in which we could have controlling interest. The collapse of the local bank with ties to the opposition NDC and other rival political factions during the cleanup operations undertaken by the mother was a resounding success. Almost say, we have banks there, Wahana. The local banks that are in bed with the NDC. Quite a more so good no will be idea
and that's a chat and a toya.
Jadi kai ayo right
Because okay, so what catch say the command good banks now a time will come.
Yes.
Kadia Bacheka Ghana for me because we see cash time because
thank you
Mugu say consolidated bank.
thank you
After month we the second.
thank you me se me bet someone
But when you Ghana for BGD say so command good bank na a banner me Ghana for car a time bank be good so music can say a beshi.
now if you look at the NDC banks now Heritage Bank
Unibank and that's a big capital.
do you know why
Debbie.
you see every financial transactions and you have BI for NDC no but be na efa pay Heritage Bank
Yeah.
but be na efa kesepa into puli koko sikane sa no mari nyano it was passing through Heritage Bank just mute them say do agungu ne nkofe say collapse bank now Unibank as some of course so I can't go into but ask yourself I didn't to get my governor of Bank of Ghana I've been minister of finance I'm at the bank that it's my 3 continuous awards now it's a bank
Go. Yeah, they pay good. Yeah, good. So
Tishabu now almost say it facilitated the flow of substantial financial resources into our war fund through the backflow of some of the advertised cleanup costs. And let me take you back. Me say, yes, say, Bank of Ghana.
Okay.
So, my case of cleanup exercise, 25 billion Ghana cedis. So, my case of revamp, 4 billion. Sa 25 billion. And then you cleanup exercise. 25 billion. Oman Jabidia Kwakoto Fund be a friend the war fund. The war fund is going to be used. Say Adia, it is going to help them in their battle. Nina is Kasem. And you made my Baba Chababe catches are. Yegu banks near Boka 25 billion. A beer 20 billion. A crumple at the war fund, we have no idea. Financially, they are strong, and it is here. Shall I say the NDC has been poor incoherently and consistently demanding detailed accountability and audit of the funds spent.
And this for the Pia say
Yes.
Moment Kuni face of Mansi Cassam.
Yes.
The kind of quiet fast so use can.
Yes. But what part say? NDC for no. I didn't want to see a catch for him or more than no. Or more banking sector, NDC for no to see. It is uncommon. Tiana San Common said there be the revamp was more important than the cleanup exercise.
Yeah.
And secondly, because of Musu and Tiana Sintino, they are not calling for forensic audit.
And which
Thank you, Shaibu. So they want to see.
And
I cross out the classroom. Now, more exams. Oh, failure. Dangers will pass. It's every private market kind financial sector. They bay or price NDC in from some good parliament. Also, my bay finance there if they know nothing. And Commonia Branca is a kit me audit. They have forensic audit can't be ambassador. I'm not going to say no. NDC for they have problems. Now, Shabu, was say the process further led to the establishment of Consolidated Bank, CBG, currently wholly owned government of Ghana Bank, and our proxies are well placed to take total control interest when the bank is eventually returned to the private ownership. Now, your case of proxies, it is an authority. Do you say the CBG, but it will get to a time they will give it to private people.
Because some mama say about the banks na o ma de mo.
And then mama pine no win.
Mama ka.
I mean so on pine on. Yes, woman win here. The M and go forward. Me ka MP people. Go forward. They know key people. They have to give them. So bank na buy the no. It will return back to a private person. Why? They will get there. Some phone will come and take over. If they take over, you see what will happen. So,
Uncle.
Ghana Amalgamated Trust GAT received 800 million from the government to ensure that ADB, Prudential Bank, Universal Merchant Bank, NIB, Omni BSI Bank were able to meet the minimum capital requirements set out by the Bank of Ghana. Shabu,
Uncle.
your casa Ghana Amalgamated Trust. Where you find the BNSS Kabia, you the Emma Ghanaian indigenous banks if they are into problems.
The only solution to our problems is to create employment for the youth of this country. And that is what I stand for. Check my track records. My track records clearly indicates that Kene Japan is for the youth. Kene Japan is for employment. And anybody who does not work in life has no life. So job. And that is Kene Japan.
Yeah, you could see on our Ken na futu sem. Yeah, ba. Thank you. Yes, sir.
So you ask a very simple question.
Yeah.
Now 800 million. Your casa Ghana Amalgamated Trust. It is a kind of trust and a fund
For Tobi.
I dema indigenous
Banks. That banks are a money there.
Thank you.
Say yeah, obo kwa hochire
Thank you.
There is kind mom.
And especially if the person is a Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Into your first Shabla Sisi a Ghana ni na Shabla Sisi will be banks. They been you are quite much of my intimate Shabla Sisi man is in Ghana also.
Don't for Ghana for.
Thank you.
But some park syndrome near the good. And because honestly, sovereignty bank.
And go for your trend was say.
Omodi omo
For fashion is uncle.
who create him more
NDC for the you be miamo. You the sledgehammer the bubble. But look at this. Way ADB, buying there. Universal Merchant, NIB, buying there. Omni BSIC, why there?
I'm buying
that.
Why there?
Omni BSI. Omni Joseph Siao.
Hey. On the dia.
When do your checks?
So I'm for.
For. Now, Bank Bakua, London Quality didn't too serious. I don't know what problem was Prudential Bank.
Yeah, Prudential.
The owner of Prudential Bank is coming from Achim.
Okay.
By Achimi. The owner.
So, you know, bank the same people for the okay.
When NPP was in opposition, Anomuniaska for campaign, they went to this bank. They gave them 1.5 million Ghana, 1.5 million Ghana cedis or dollars.
Yeah.
And if you look at by BI rise acquire, it rose to around 2 million. 2 million, and they say if you look at interest, I make a Ghana one. Now, things was difficult for the people man when the Prudential Bank wrote to them, telling them, say, the Bank of Ghana want to come and do supervisory unit to her. It's the best time to scan Babaji, I'm for scanning Fambra.
So a bank on Kata, so man scanner.
Thank you.
Omungu.
What they be before the Kosia party office. Without the knowledge of the party executives.
Nkusiawa.
Yakufado, one in ye, can go for that. And tell me no more year, dear man, for more pressure. And I can for that. I say, one the cocoji bosiano to Witria. See, and then one which I'm about to see so what boy. What boy is some quam which they want. One transit which I'm a
to almost have a bank.
Open Paula Foku and a commander for Bromo Bread Power MPP was adding we come because almost they are not ready to pay.
Come part in the
thank you.
I frag bearer and then Kofobino Kojebo
said the month was
also it got a point out.
Yes,
I said the MPP no. Ebaya Kufado. Kufado.
May say amendment of constitution. Electoral college was to aid and abet Kufado. But not Satana Santi for more. No one say Ebedu I say you. They say I do this particular moment. Now, if you look at Prudential Bank, Prudential Bank needs GN Bank. Why there were a lot of employees
or any GN Bank?
Every village, every cottage, every city, municipal, every city, you see GN Bank.
And a GN Bank, or make us or source contractors.
Yes.
Be on your contract, be also yet. Oh, yeah, you now raise certificate of binding.
Thank you.
Oh, corporate GN Bank almost cannot.
It is idea we map wiping Prudential. So let's allow Prudential, then we help Prudential.
Yeah.
Now, if you look at GN Bank, it was being orchestrated. Say bang, you make them go through problems. And it's simple.
Yeah.
Papa was in Ejitum say Ghana. It said to me resources the ordinary Ghanaian. Every business person so it's my basso. Or Basra, the person will create a lot of employment.
Yeah.
Will create a lot of employment. I'm a Ghana at me for into a pediatra. Shab Gadiwi. Now, after say Park was in the United or Bama Ghana at me a conkaino. I dear Bakwe see and say the NPP told contractors to go to local banks for help. And indirectly, they were telling them to go to GN Bank. GN Bank, they're corner cast a contractor with this kind of amount. Almost said, I show one could G's Cabibri. The government of Ghana decided not to pay the monies of the contractors to them.
So they also go and pay back to GN Bank.
And I know what I say. Ghana contractors, almost the GN Bank has 7.1 billion. 7.1 billion.
Me when I abandon here, just
yes,
4 billion.
Thank you.
To do the
revamping. Thank you. And you know, it was a deliberate attempt. Say, Sadi Widi, Shabu, Sani Beno. They take over.
Of course, will be person Johnny. You know, had be said, and Cowboy John.
Sanity. I do not hear. Or we are in the area. And Uncle for someone by the side Bank of Ghana for say, go and do auditing and do checks of books of GN Bank and see say if they're in a good position.
Okay, buy his account.
Oh, Shabu. I do man much say you want there too. And a follow. It did so, sir. Many men who will be the Bible.
Debbie.
So be any.
Debbie.
But the Bible means we see one after the other. So can I say a bronze and training and Yanko me this one?
Debbie.
Thank you. Shabu.
Franco.
The takeover of CBG and acquisition of significant equity holding in GATT asserted banks to represent our strategy for direct play in the commercial banking space in the country. Okay. As a result of our hold on these banks, 2 goals will be met. Namely, direct financial contribution in the form of dividends. Secondly, granting of funding of support to our designated local businesses. Scano, dividends, beba, adopted children.
Okay.
These are top banks in the local scene with largely foreign ownership that will not be able to take controlling equity stake. However, we need to wield substantial influence in other operations through largely over key management personnel and some board members. The TNSA
bank people want to be adopted.
I know what the TNSA.
Some banks ben.
Oh, say
banks are money control.
Yes.
Absa bank mo
Absa Stanbic. Okay. Only control.
Get on your buying a money bank to buying
only controls. They are going to plant people over there.
Where they are board there. Until Ecobank board or Ghanaian has to be on the board.
Thank you. Or say the aim here is not necessarily direct financial control and contribution from these banks, but rather to assure funding to private businesses aligned to our course.
Also, has say, Sa bank will penetrate.
Yes.
But the air and say, near Quacotenaso, near to make sure, say, you bet me the Bosnia at the Mamma Kophobia or money a con Naka, and I said, oh, you might be made.
Or say, but rather to her. In the unlikely event, our bloc is not in power, we could also count on them to make pronouncements that will influence public opinion against the ruling government.
I say,
yes,
say you got to about 2024. Na MPP elusua. Ye nam say you want influence our bank.
Yes.
Ye betimi ama o mababo ntene ababi abeka kasikasem ho en share chese bia o man na say o man sikasem ayi say na atimi ama aban na oteso no o man na anya tan.
Thank you.
O man anya tan o man.
Thank you. So these adopted children include Absa, Ecobank, Ghana Commercial Bank, Stanbic Bank, and Zenith Bank.
Franco, I didn't know say MP Omo show book.
Yes.
A Japan dear document.
Yes.
Omo ya brun some for your bay for any say.
Yes.
Book about 2017.
2017.
Satan na Absa Bank. Na Barclays show. Too many who say
Absa no na Barclays.
Yes. Absa. Omo so say omo say din.
Yes.
Any 2 years. But book about 2017. Omo ye dey who say Barclays back a time will come about an Absa.
Hey, I was watching my yes, you
me say what we call go head that a Japan document e buy. Na ho head time Barclays Bank e sign din e buy an Absa. Like I say, omo ya bonsamfo a Yes, Yamini, who almost a soothsayers.
Yes.
Who you knew.
They go into the future.
That's a president here. That's if NDC for our two position. Let me go into the future. Let me try the MLB. Then are you a president?
And the book has also moved you because them I say ABSA formerly backers.
Yes.
Men are welcome.
Yeah.
I say the management of this bank is largely aligned, and Antoinette Kofi, who is a director of finance, is fully behind our project. This explains her presence on the board, on the Minerals Income Investment Fund board.
Antoinette Kofi.
Yes.
So our board to come.
But, yes, but much of that now to board for to get her loyalty.
Yeah.
And I say this seat is occupied. I say this explains her presence on the board of the Minerals Income. In the event that the position of the managing director of the institution becomes vacant, hopefully, with Nana still in power.
Also, almost say, Sir Antoinette.
Yes.
Or the managing director, the Madi, ABSA.
The management of this bank is largely aligned, and Antoinette, who is the director of finance.
Yes, it is the director of finance, Antoinette.
Yes.
The name say MPP, sorry, not MPP.
Yes.
That Chim Mafia, the person, Omunyano, no capture into their side.
Yes.
Omo the rest to Mineral Commission Board.
Yes.
Say, Beya, one away that by managing director. Our ABSA.
Yes.
Yes, I know about to a board to a person so that the Becca piano
They can control.
her.
In the event that the position of the managing director of the institution becomes vacant,
Say that Jacobase managing director the ABSA a damn pioneer.
hopefully, when are not still in power,
That's another so man.
diplomatic channels to Pretoria should be utilized in support of Antoinette ascending to the role. The substantial flow of government businesses to the bank since the Nana came to power should continue to keep the bank on our side.
ABSA no omo branch na Ghana sin se penino ekona hom jema awse na Adam Akufo-Addo efo car na efo plane ekọ South Africa Pretoria.
Yes.
Na on bank penifo no kodi nkomo se amababa wo be fa Antoinette no what sua de wo bonim de no a part of head of finance.
Yes.
And then I'm fa managing director na fa man.
Thank you.
Se onu no e ba be ye managing director de ma ABSA Bank of Ghana had ya like Japan ya Chimafet no atajo mati dele ABSA sika no
Akufo-Addo will fly to South Africa and do the negotiations for this girl, this woman, to become the managing director. Tia EcoBank. We have 2 rules of entry into this institution.
EcoBank so enye Ghana Bank.
Yes.
But omo wa kwan mienu a ometim de ewura EcoBank.
Thank you. Was the first is through Senate, which has a seat of board of EcoBank Ghana, by virtue of its shareholding. That seat is occupied by the Director General of Senate.
Was say EcoBank na kwan mienu a ometim de ewura mo de di kan no aye Senate, because Senate for your investment EcoBank, and for that matter the managing director of Senate a board member at the EcoBank.
Thank you. In phase 2, our agenda, Kofi Bosompem Osafo-Maafo, who is a Deputy Director General of Senate, will be made the Director General to give him the seat of EcoBank.
I say phase 2 no Kofi Bosompem Osafo-Maafo in the backline.
Yes.
Or Deputy Managing Director at the Senate.
Yes.
In phase 2 or another piano, the managing director, the boss no. Say the beya obeti me about a board member.
Thank you.
On the EcoBank board.
And I'm not Kasai, who is the Director General of Senate.
Kofi Bosompem Santu.
Yes.
Osafo-Maafo.
Yes. And you know, we Osafo-Maafo on one Kasaneba.
Okay.
And then me no Kasai. Or no Director General of Senate.
Okay.
Now Shaibu.
Fanko.
Was say secondly, the wife of Ace Ankoma is the group head of the commercial banking and a member of the executive management of the EcoBank. Our intelligence is that both role of the group CEO and the managing director of EcoBank, Tia EcoBank Ghana, will become vacant in the next 2 or 3 years. Nana has been advised to use all diplomatic avenues to support Ace Ankoma's wife to fill one of these impending vacancies.
I say Ace Ankoma yire one also ewo EcoBank. And check group CEO of EcoBank in Africa to Ghana. I have a damn pie. Or send an also far because a mine kita would not me press out to you. But see, I make us say, Ace Ankoma on the letter information yourself. I'm in the core bank of Ghana.
Oh, okay.
I don't know my core bank. I'm going to say or share the postcard to you.
Yes.
Sir, I can a second deputy.
Yes.
Also on your postcard appointment. And to me the now to head the beer. I don't know. I make us a buy back home to me.
Shabu,
Franco.
Ghana, Obia O Timmy, the Timmy. who could this civil society be a chisom demonstration? Near to Bowani, you come where you come kwasi. I'm going to explain to you. It's Ankuma on the Kofa occupying Ghana by Occupy Ghana members. One, Kwajo Ponkroma. It's Ankuma no Kaho.
And I Kofi
Bento account. Papa was your funny George Anda.
Yeah.
George Anda have been a deputy minister under Kufuado. George Anda, I would to say now was the east to the west. No, MP or the Kutu and a Tete.
Okay.
Or when I started this kind of where you occupy Ghana. Open Papa was a lead member and a convener. Can Ufurata, or be minister for finance. Meboa. She says so called a Kufuado or Jubilee as well. You say advisor with the
is a commercial say it's a commercial lawyer. They send a back nipa or play advisory rule at the man abino to my being town dear contractor. And they said, you know, pushing the court.
Okay.
Yeah.
And to be the second upon Croma. Obabe did deputy minister for information. Obabe did minister of information. Obabe substantive minister. Works and house. Obabe cabinet minister. Nina Obabe was he's thinking about the ordinary Ghanaian. We you can't say demonstration. But they are thinking about their own interest. It is Ankuma. And I first also judge on the money Mama so. And it is Ankuma Yere. And then I woke up and said,
Alex says, you're a pure Bank of Ghana.
what I let on Nasamu?
Yeah.
Asabu. Niwa. Ghana Commercial Bank. The bank is already under government control. The main strategy here is to ensure that appointments to the board and key management roles are based on loyalty to our cause.
See, one for bank now, one for ABSA, one for Ecobank, one for Ghana Commercial Bank. What the Ghana Commercial Bank, your money bank, the one pay me, I'll meet my. Now they bet my say, and Nipa, your cash or munda, no matter, or Monson, and Nipa, you better appoint to the board.
Stanbic.
Yeah, do some Stanbic banks.
It's another South African bank.
And so if you need TV South Africa,
yes,
they are buying new control also.
That we can leverage to diplomatic relations between Accra and Pretoria to ensure that successor to Andani and other key appointments subsequent to that are favorable to the project goal.
Franco, Stanbic Bank, MPP in opposition.
Yes.
Or use Stanbic Bank for some and then man be year mapa. Or I saw all Baba lectures be no so Baba painting economic indices in a day.
Yes.
Or me see a Stanbic Bank no. And check and so South Africa Bank and then in ever call retirement ya. I was saying Nana it's not me use a buy or mine or mine kita udi that South Africa and the Ghana temu. Yeah, people be so free actually mafia and I say
thank you.
No be head.
Biological children.
Biological.
Data bank is a household in the financial industry.
And to here, area banking sector and finance sector no. Omo can adopted children.
Yes.
Na adopted children no.
Yes.
And a Absa bank when the banks are in free Ghana. In free Ghana.
Thank you.
And they say they will do biological children.
Yes.
Bank here. Omo they can say achim for na.
And they have labeled this to insurance.
Insurance.
TT. Or say biological children. Data bank is a household name in the financial industry. It is our beloved child in the industry.
Or say data bank there.
Yes.
Obianim say bank ya GT in Ghana.
Yes.
And omo doba bank ya. Oh my.
Its presence as government advisor on financial transactions is to be intensified, including lobbying interested foreign companies to partner with data bank on such issues.
I say data bank. Say kata ne juma dia wo di say wona tu abane fo say ba say abane kwa kudi ska o baby e dia ba na juma no na dia ba ko so no say e ba be bo say na ho de ko niwa o say abane pe bank and so mo nim sika say mo hihie nkitawudie e wa mane no mo bo data bank no mo yes anhye say be ta da bia no o be we sa contract
in furtherance of this end. All major government financial transactions to be executed in the first 2 years of the next second term. In don't person much say any international relationship bank is seek assembly
because I am a bosia kwa for data bank.
Thank you, my brother.
Ya kwaje bosia na say kwaje san how do bosia na how never fa aba.
Okay.
O fa so ya beto ya kwa data bank.
This will bring in the needed funds to fight the battle to install Baumia as part of the succession plan to the advantage of Baumia.
Abasana. Yes, say a bema ominya sika. Na adwatimi a prosecute a proper campaign. Ama Baumia ababe Ghana mampeni. Na no kwa achi no, omo kwa na besa sika sa akofo bi so ba bi di Baumia achi. The Napo or do much qua Napo would do much qua. What am I say? It's about Ibom become the president. Then you go and queer Baumia. It does send the second term. Napo qua ya dear, you can inside there. No apamon. And one final second term. And we don't have the ever can and come in because of no quack or yam, second Mukuano. Yes, second term.
Yes,
what Pamre or Mopa. Sike sapo yo kofoma mobiu kofo music na asa
yes o je se dia
asa enti o pa edu o say delegate a o make 1 billion ma delegate bia am obi o baba be so siri ba o me no come from them aida ko jo pon kroma na say say me ko say o so mo trust ni bi
shabu
uncle
adopted children major place within the securities sector besides data bank and EDC investments of EcoBank.
Biological children.
We are some biological children. Any data bank we adopted.
Okay.
Major players within the security sector besides data bank are EDC investments of EcoBank, Stanley of Stanbic, and SARS of Togbe Afede.
This also bank and about the security exchange.
Yes.
Security exchange investment firm. What a bank more investment firm. And tobacco and so I adopted that. Togo be so NDC.
These are institutions we will struggle to get into for obvious reasons. Our only chance of influencing the first two somewhat where if our banking strategy is well orchestrated to secure some influence in EcoBank and Stanbic, which will eventually offer some leverage around EDC and Stanley.
Yes. Because of say Stanbic Bank or more member of board,
yes,
EcoBank,
yes,
SARS Security Exchange, we see,
yes,
almost they are being operated by either EcoBank or Stanbic Bank,
yes,
and no more. I told after the deal.
Yes.
Don't go after the end of the almost didn't chiri bottom and yet don't make my room. But EcoBank and Stanbic Bank and don't make me a room.
Now, Shabu,
Franco,
what say regarding SARS, all efforts should be made to weaken it by using foreign friends to offer juicy fund and asset management rules to keep personnel within SARS in order to tempt them away from that setup. That's weaken its ability to compete effectively.
That I told after the deal. I must say to go after.
So I must say first to make my now stop at the end there.
Or me then ye. Because some more pet foreign investor be number years and you don't weaken to go after the stars. And you refer to it a good cry. It don't to a man poor way I want to be through.
Oh, that be penny bonus. But you could to be bongo for you so to make out what transfer pass would do 1 year training. I mean a bubble some. Okay,
never a bubble some.
Mining, oil and gas industries.
They said your boy mining, oil and a gas industry.
So they catch us a kufa do kugal and say your boy.
And I'm who for it.
They say, the catch us a kufa do kugal and say your boy. Say, our mining, as well as oil and gas strategy, constitute a major plank of the blueprint for controlling the extraction of natural resources, which God has generally bestowed on Ghana, particularly the Achim land. But say, growing environmental factors are rendering risky of our illegal small-scale mining in Galamsey as a source of financing our political objectives. This is for the country of Galamsey.
Me say, yes, I could be. Yes, every Friday be Galamsey sika or bob if you're up so bagman at the Kojubi house.
Yes.
Now I have for me Sramo. Sa content we share your percent. Ajapade document ye crash no. Mon share ocean na wo share na Ghana for enye bi. Every minute bi a mon share. Sango here the only thing make my crash sa Ajapade document we say ye be 2 MPP aban. Ye 2 MPP aban ya. Whoever become the president, you know, either my mama or Allah no. Na Ghana for demonstration against them. Or when your forensic audit and find Japan document. See, I implementing in any way a compare and the Omo abrogate is a judgment then between India.
Growing environmental factors are rendering risky to our illegal Galamsey as a source of financial and political activities.
And the Oguba said he want to put the presidency on the line of illegal mining. Zenobwa. Because now acquire a faso nenye sika e dey sponsor your political activities.
But say, this is therefore the need to roll out more rigorous legal means of controlling significant state in the local gold value chain. Hano, or said that create a certain kind of impression. Oba kase de mrediaba, and not the bony pong. Aranti, Galamse,
Go for your cracker.
most of the mrediaba, and a choice, say, the more you know, nature of one say. These people, Sanko Fokitwa, they will have access. I know when you quite more Galamse side than two Akesi.
What's again can say, Mr. Say, Galamse, me trim and Sassia. They are kind of shame.
Yes,
Because near Quache or be excavator, near the matching mafias. Normally,
it almost say, because what
you have said, Galamse to me, I can't say, Greta, it me right.
It may fulfill with no coordinating council. I will be opium. Hey, Ghana.
Na I say excavator yira. Ade agise disi you can't low bed so no. Etimi yira eni atabai. Say na achim mafias no a capture no ha say Ghana for achim mafias.
What say? As a source of financing our political objectives. Shall we? Buku nyame pie ni paka.
Me say buku do. I was say Ghana empenim for. Mom ye tu nipa na yeko petition asante na man a copy of the book e be asante na wate wate oh but one say na those ye de kwa ye chechi o chechi o kwa after e be prompto na kurura manakan also mo sorry ti ade na ekoso no o Ghana e nyina di o na wa kuva na che mafi mo se mo de Ghana masefo
what say to this end a closely look to approve concessions should be looked at.
Like I said, yes, I wear concession. There are many people. I will say if any partner the concession or why.
Thank you.
Of Frachin Mafia, thank you. So Frachin Mafia, we shall go say, best shoe excavator.
It was say, Asante Bedia too.
Asante Bedia to do. I'm hearing you be one. Asante Bedia too.
Asante Bedia too is to lead the process to take over the concessions detailed below. Consolidate them into extended Japan LLC, incorporated in JC. We almost say Asante Bedia to the ability. Concession, Galamsey. They are going to tell people, I say, more concession to do Galamsey. Sanko Foro, I am for their in bed with us. Calling to grams on this Canterbury. On this Canterbury, we can take total control.
Nabu, Nasa, no, and because I must uncle Mohanaka about to Uncoto. Tiana Uncle Tuaba. Now, more dear, more message shall man say, Shamu, Fanko, Asante region, concession. How much my man for, we pro Akufado, pro Baumia, pro Ajapadia document. I am 123. 120,
123.
Okay.
Any Eastern region, Omoya Makumako 185. Western region, I don't cry away. Western, Jack, Western, any serious. Western, 309. Western, 309. Buahafu, Omoya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Northern, 1, 2, 3, 3. Upper East, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Fiade. Western, Eastern, it will come in Abu Mashabu, a 332 concession sites. 332 concession sites.
And Asante Bedia to lead you no man or more prone achimfo
to do this kind of business. Permit me to take a water.
And the president will tell you, say, when the presidency here, so
thank you. Permit me to take
ye chan ho aba na franco heta akwa akọ no musu aba and na de edaso sinkunyam